Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an absolutely massive win on SOMI. What a call it was. Our first entry was tough, but with confidence and patience, the big profits are now rolling in. We told you to watch the price action above the 0.786 Fibonacci level, and that experience matters. We've seen a surge of plus 30% up from the 0.7700 support we mentioned, and that's a clean plus 12% gain from the initial setup. Now, looking forward, my sights are set on $1.30 next. This is what happens when you combine precise technical analysis with conviction. For those who aren't familiar, SOMI is a next-generation Layer 1 blockchain aiming to revolutionize gaming in the metaverse with its incredible transaction speed. The fundamentals are strong, and the technical breakout is confirming the long-term bullish narrative. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. To join our new VIP group, just click the bot link in the description. Peace out.